Hello friend, today we will learn how to create XML and JSON response for the same service in the Spring Boot application. So for that I have created one application, and in that application created employee.java class. So in that Java class two field as added, that is ID and name, and for that field we have added constructor and setter getter method. Now another class I have created, that is employee controller class. So in that class one method, one get mapping has created, and that get mapping is returning the list of employee. So here we have created 3 employees, okay, and here we are returning the list of that employee. So let's run this program. Now you can see application is running. Let's open Postman and try to hit get employee list URL. So here we have created get employee list get mapping. Okay, so that URL I enter here. Let's try. Now you can see JSON response is created. Okay, and suppose you want to create XML response for the same URL, then what you have to do? You have to add accept in the header. Accept here application slash JSON. So here you can see JSON response is created. Now let's try to add application slash XML. Now you can see you are getting empty response. So let's check log. Okay, so in the log we are getting some exception, that is HTTP media type not acceptable exception, no acceptable representation. So how to avoid this error? For that you have to add one dependency in the pom.xml. Let's open pom.xml. Here you have to add one dependency. That dependency name is Jackson data format XML Maven. Let's go to Maven website. Copy this tag. Remove the version. It will take version automatically. Let's run this. First you have to add produces here. Produces media type application slash JSON value. Then another is media types application slash XML value. Let's run this program. You can see application is running. Now let's try to hit same URL on the Postman. Now you can see XML response has generated. Here you can see XML. Okay, now replace value with application slash JSON. Now you can see JSON response is generated. So in that way you can generate XML and JSON response for the same service. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.